Then there was the case of the Islamic crusades in the Horn of Africa. Again, female crusaders with swords and spears fighting for Islam against the British and the Italians. And then here we have one of Africa's maids of Orleans, Somalia's Joan of Arc. Not burnt at the stake, but definitely pierced by an arrow and still fighting. In short, here we have armed patriotism with a female face.
In Somalia, armed patriotism still has a female face. Women have joined men in guarding the borders. But in this continent of